Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to log into CapCut. Logging into your CapCut account helps you save your projects and access them across devices. So let's get started on how to log into CapCut. First, open the CapCut app on your mobile device. Tap on the Me option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, you will see various login options. For this guide, we will use the Google account for logging in. So, tap on the Sign in with Google account option. Tap on the Continue button to proceed. Now, choose the Google account you want to use for logging in. Finally, tap on the Continue button and complete the login process. And this is how you can log into CapCut. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.